Welcome to the lesson where you will find the sources from where you can get the ideas about or take a healthy start. So different sources say ideas grab करने हैं to write on. Knock knock, confusion here. So when you're all done with niche, the most recurring question that arises in every mind is now what to write on. ये सबसे बेसिक क्वेश्चन जो अराइज होता है हर उस इंसान के लिए जो कि कंटेंट राइटिंग स्टार्ट करता है अपने ब्लॉग पर. द बेसिक थिंग कि अब वो किस टॉपिक पे लिखे. ही हैज द नीश, ही हैज द कीवर्ड, बट व्हाट शुड बी द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक टू राइट ऑन. ये बहुत कॉमन चीज़ है, लेकिन कन्फ्यूजन कभी भी आपको एक हेल्दी स्टार्ट लेने के लिए प्रोवोक नहीं करेगी, एंड स्टबलिंग हियर एंड देयर सिंपली वेस्ट योर टाइम. सो बेटर टू गो फॉर दोज सोर्सेज जो कि आपको हेल्प आउट कर सकें कि एक आप प्रॉपर आइडिया जनरेट करो या टॉपिक. बेटर कि अगर आप इनोवेट नहीं कर सकते हो खुद से आइडियाज़, तो ये सोर्सेज विल गो वेरी मच बेनिफिशियल. कुछ अभी आने वाली स्लाइड्स में आपको 2-3 जो आपको सोर्सेज बताऊंगी, एंड यू विल सिलेक्ट विच विल गोज बेस्ट फॉर यू. फर्स्ट वन इज BuzzSumo. सो BuzzSumo एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो कि लेटेस्ट और ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स को शेयर करता है डिफरेंट टाइम्स के, लाइक डिफरेंट एरास का. आपने जस्ट अपना कीवर्ड और डोमेन और यू कैन से टॉपिक एंटर करना है. नॉट टॉपिक इन अ सेंस के यू डोंट हैव अ टॉपिक, जस्ट लाइक एनी overview about the thing. If I wish to write on a portable monitor, तो इसमें portable monitor अपना keyword enter कर दूंगी and it will fetch out all the trending topics at the moment. Let's check it practically. Here we have BuzzSumo, and right at the bar you can see enter a topic or domain to try out BuzzSumo. यहाँ पर I'm going to write that portable monitors, and it will fetch out the latest trending topics. Here you go. Oh great, it's showing the cart a lot. You can take the idea from it. Top 15 best portable monitors to buy in 2017. This one, when a portable monitoring setup. This one, or the Asus ZenScreen is the best looking portable USB-C monitor. Like these kind of topics help you a lot to generate your own. Make sure not to copy as it is, because it is already taken by someone. So it will like go in a spam way कि आप किसी का title copy कर रहे हो. तो सिंपल इनसे आइडियाज़ ले लें. लाइक इट विल ब्रिंग यू अ ह्यूज लिस्ट, एंड सिंपल आप इन सब की हेल्प से एक अपना जनरेट कर लें original. Then you can say it's your own. If we go on the next one, so it is StumbleUpon. StumbleUpon is similar like a BuzzSumo. You can just like if it will be beneficial कि मैं आपको practically बता दूँ. Here you go. In StumbleUpon, just connect it with Facebook or Google. If you are already a member, just log in here. और इसमें आपको सिमिलर BuzzSumo की तरह एक सर्च बार आ जाएगा, उसमें आप अपना कीवर्ड एंटर करो, ये टॉप ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स बिल्कुल इसी तरह से आपको बता देगा. इट्स अप टू यू कि यू यूज BuzzSumo और StumbleUpon. थर्ड वन इज, एंड माय फेवरेट स्पेशली, alltop.com. सिमिलरली जैसे कि आपने नीश सिलेक्शन में किया होगा, alltop के से आप आइडियाज़ ले सकते हैं नीश को सिलेक्ट करने के लिए. इसी तरह आप अपने टॉपिक्स को भी, जिसमें आप राइटिंग करना चाहते हो, तो आप उसके लिए आइडियाज़ ले सकते हो. It entails the stories shared by the topmost websites, companies, and successful business tycoons. Like, it basically shows what's happening. If I take China, it will not show me what is the population of China. It will show me what's happening in China. So it's in fact a big source to get ideas from. Let me show you practically. Here we have in alltops. These are different topics: work, health. If I am interested in tech related work, I simply click on tech, and here will be like different subcategories. You can say like 3D, Android. If my niche is monitors, so I'll go with the monitors. Simple, आप यहाँ पर most popular stories भी check कर सकते हो. Mashable से different companies है, business tycoons है, TechCrunch, ProBlogger, Chris Brogan, इनसे different ideas ले सकते हो. Like this, when to go ahead and use Clash in your talk and when not to. These are very interesting, inspiring topics. आप यहाँ से idea लो and just put the words relevant to your niche and heads on towards your writing. Yet another is very cute, you can say, important title generator. ये simple एक tool है जो आप use कर सकते हो. Simple आप site को visit करो, अपना keyword लिखो और randomly it create different titles for you. So जैसे कि इसका नाम cool है, ये titles भी काफी cool से generate करता है. Let's see practically. Here I have the potent title generator. It's very cool design. You have to enter the subject here. I have to write like portable monitor and it's a go. It will say how low can portable monitors go. It will like आपको ये specifically हर term के बारे में brief भी करेगा, like think left and think right, think high and think low. Doctors use and researchers highly underrated and can easily set your post apart. We likely the controversy and it all go. If you don't like the title, go next. How portable monitors are like a school bully. Why Holden qualified thinks portable monitors are phony and why your portable monitor never works out the way you plan. So as I've already said, the titles are like quite cool and attractive. It's up to you how you manage and things as it will be gonna say good for you or not. Okay, now done with grabbing the ideas, like you have made the headline top right on and all set to go for writing. If you have said like, let's say I've selected top 15 best portable monitors to buy in 2017 and in brackets like it's December, so December updated. So I am now quite familiar about the term कि अब मुझे portable monitors के बारे में लिखना है. तो now I'll do the research according to it. But here is something like more important before taking an effective start. Like take a look whether your own made headline is effective or not. It's very important. आपने अपनी headline बना ली है, अब आपने ये check करना है कि आपकी headline effective है, इसका score अच्छा है कि नहीं. तो it's analyze your heading. So आप headline analyzer use कर सकते हैं. It's coschedule.com to check the status of your heading. Let's say I've selected the same as a taught, so check कर लेते हैं हम इसको practically. You can even sign up for free, or like I'm not like signing up right now. I'm just analyzing my headline. It's top 10 portable monitors to buy in 2017, right? And I'm analyzing it right now. I'm here to give my full name. It's Mama. Here I can use Ismail's information, right? If I don't have, so it's all done here. So it's quite like it's important. It gives you a little information and tell us about little about yourself, but best describes you. Oh my god, he's a blogger. How many folks are you in a team? We are almost 6 to 10. And what is your main focus? Of course it's blogging, personal brand as well. So yeah, this one is like good. Sign me up, and now it will show you the headings result in terms of scores. It scores a 63. It's like up to the margin. I don't count it as bad, because here it will show you that what is the balance. So common it's 26%, uncommon it's 0, it's emotional 0%, power it's 13%. So if it scores 63, I'm okay with it. But if it's above 64, so must go for it, okay? एक छोटी सी टिप अगर मैं आपको यहाँ पर दूँ तो it will be like really appreciable कि आपके small example है कि top 10 portable monitors and best portable monitors to buy in 2017. इन दोनों में second one will go good in terms of SEO, just because the fact कि आपका keyword start में आ रहा है. ये Google की consideration में आ जाता है, Google के crawler की, कि आपने अपना जो keyword है वो heading के start में use किया. तो जो best portable monitors है, it will give best results as compared to the top 10 portable monitors. So all done with the entire strategy for getting the ideas from different sources, analyzing your heading, like the score, how are you up to in terms of heading, and now you're ready to write something really great. So best of luck. See you soon in the next chapter.